Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet a crown for applique. How to crochet crown. We will start with yellow part of the crown. As usual, we will be starting with a slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Now after slip knot, I will make 12 chain crochet stitches. Okay, 12 chain crochet stitches. Now once I am done with 12 chain crochet stitches, first stitch which comes after the current loop on the needle, okay, from first stitch we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using one loop of each stitch. Okay, so right from the first stitch that comes after the current loop on the needle, we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using one loop of each stitch till end. So I'll first complete this and I'll show you. Once done with the last stitch, we will make 5 chain crochet stitches and turn our crochet work. See, this is how it's going to look. Now as we are done with the last stitch, we will make 5 chain crochet stitches and we will turn our work. Okay, now for next 5 stitches we will make one double crochet stitch incomplete. Okay, we are going to leave last loop on the needle. So for next 5 stitches we will make 1 double crochet stitches in each of the 5 stitches and leaving last loop on the needle. Okay, so we will have 5 loops on the needle by end of the 5 stitches. 3, see, 4. See, we are going to leave last loop of each double crochet stitch. We are not going to complete it. So we are going to make incomplete 5 double crochet stitches. Now we have 5 loops on the needle. Now we will yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through from all 5 loops at once. Then we will make a chain crochet stitch, again make a chain crochet stitch and make a slip stitch with the first chain crochet stitch. So we get a point. See, now we get a point. Now we will make 5 chain crochet stitches and join 5th stitch with the last double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. See, this is how we are going to make triangle. Now following same pattern we are going to make 4 triangles, 2 in the starting and 2 in the ending, and in middle we will make a bigger triangle. I will tell you for that also. First we will finish 2 second also, and then I will tell you the third one. Okay, so I'll just finish this and I'll show you. Now for the middle triangle, middle bigger triangle, we will make 7 chain crochet stitches. Okay, 7 chain crochet stitches, and in 4 continuous stitches we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using only one loop of each stitch. Starting 2 triangles we will use 5 stitches, ending 2 triangles we will use 5 stitches, only middle triangle we will use 4 stitches. So we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches, incomplete double crochet stitches in each single stitch. This we are going to do for 4 stitches. Once we are done with all our incomplete double crochet stitches, we'll yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through from all those loops at once and make a chain crochet stitch. Then again a chain crochet stitch, make a slip stitch with the first chain crochet stitch. So we get a point. Okay, and after that we will make 7 chain crochet stitches and join last stitch with the last double crochet stitch. Okay, last double crochet stitch. So a middle bigger triangle is ready, and then after that we will make 2 smaller triangles same as we made in the starting. Okay, so I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Now this is how a basic structure of a crown looks like. Okay, now last round is remaining. For last round we will make just one chain crochet, one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the crown. One slip stitch in each single stitch all around the crown. Okay, so I'll complete this whole round and I'll show you final piece. This is how the final yellow part of crown looks like. Now we work on pearls, crochet pearls. I'm using is 2.5 mm. As usual, you will be starting with slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, I will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now I will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Needle I am using is of 2.5 mm. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, it is 2.5 mm needle. Okay. Now due to joining those first and last stitch, we get a small tiny circle in between. It is small but it's big enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will yarn over, and please don't take that small free end of the yarn into your stitches. Now first we will make a chain crochet stitch, then we will yarn over, insert a needle from that tiny circle. Okay, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. Okay, again we will yarn over, insert a needle from the tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for how to make a half double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You people can refer it. It's with written notes, low demonstration is given. So quite easy to understand. Okay, the way we are making a half double crochet stitches, each time passing a needle from that tiny circle, we have to make 10 half double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just show you 10 half double crochet stitches. We are almost done. There we complete our last stitch also. Okay, now we will join our first stitch and last stitch with the slip stitch. Following similar pattern, you have to make another one also, exactly same. Okay, now pull that small end, free end of the yarn. See, these are final crochet pearls. Now we make crochet ruby. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will yarn over, insert a needle in that small circle, a ring, then grab the yarn and pull through, and then we will make a half double crochet stitch. See, again yarn over, insert the needle through that circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. In similar way we are going to make a set of 3 half double crochet stitch followed by a double crochet stitch. Okay, and technique is going to be same. Yarn over, insert your needle from that ring, that small circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. So we are going to make 5 in total, 5 set or 5 group, in which each set includes 3 half double crochet stitch followed by 1 double crochet stitch, again 3 half double crochet stitch followed by 1 double crochet stitch. So this we are going to do 5 times. Okay, so like this 3 half double crochet stitches, these are sides of a pentagon, and 1 double crochet stitch, that is the corner of the pentagon. Okay, so like 3 half double crochet stitch, it will be side, so, and double crochet will be the corner. So that's why we need to do it 5 times. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. If any of you want to refer tutorial video of half double crochet stitch or double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You can go through them. Very slow demonstration is given and like you will understand it quite well. so you can refer it. Now see, here we are done with our basic or foundation pentagon shape, a small pentagon shape it is. Okay, see, we have got 5 corners and 5 sides. Okay, now we will join, first we will make our last double crochet stitch. There we go. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Sorry for the background noise, my kids are playing. Okay, now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. There it goes. Now see, that free and yarn was there, we are supposed to pull it now, pull it a bit harder, so like your middle gap is completely packed and you get a solid pentagon shape. Okay, without any gap. For last round we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around. This is a final crochet ruby look like. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. As you have seen, complete crochet tutorial was with written notes, slow demonstration was there, step-by-step explanation was there, nothing was skipped. So please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. And if you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, and many videos are already there on my YouTube channel. Plus I'm coming up with lots and lots of new applique of crochet. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.